So good morning, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. So I am Venice Marie Q. de los Santos from Bitcoin HE1A. So today I'll be presenting to you my demo teaching about traits approach to leadership, which is under the nature of the learning process. So good day, class. So before we start our discussion for today, Ms. Okab, can you please lead the prayer? Amen. So good day, everyone. So who's absent for today? No one? Oh, very good. So before we start our new lesson, who can give me, who can have a short recap for our discussion last time? It's all about? Anyone? Okay. Okay, it's all about defining leadership. So what do you mean by leadership? Anyone? Can you please write and raise your right hand? Okay. Thank you very much. So leadership is the ability of an individual or a group to lead group of people. Like for example, here in the Philippines, who is our leader? Okay, President Bongbong Marcos. So before we proceed to our topic, let's have a fun activity for us today. So the game called Guess the Word. So the instruction is I'll be posing here the word and you will guess it and explain it to the class. Okay, are you ready? Is my instruction is clear? Okay. So, who can guess what word is this? Anyone? Okay, very good. It is creativity. So, can you define creativity? Okay, very good. How about the next one? The next word is any. It starts with letter D. Okay, very good. Decisiveness. So what do you mean by decisiveness? Okay, very good. Can you clap for them? Okay. So the game has engaged you to learn more. Okay, so who do you think what do you think is our lesson for today? Anyone? It's connected to our lesson last meeting. It's all about leadership. So, who can guess what our topic for today? No one? Okay, so our topic for today is all about the nature of administrative work. So, what is the nature of an administrative work? So here's it. So what is administrative work? So involves maintaining an office setting. Can give you a better idea whether it is a career you'd like to pursue, includes filing information and many other responsibilities that help you maintain a proactive workplace. And lastly, involves organizing and supervising an organization or institution. So first, it involves in maintaining an office setting. So, as an administrative, in administrative tasks, our duties to relate to maintaining the office setting. Like the duties varied for workplace to workplace. So this as an administrative professional, we are given an administrative task. So, includes dyan yung mga schedules, making phone calls, or making phone calls. And yung mga natatrabaho dyan is yung like mga job na naka-assign dito is yung mga office assistant, executive assistant, secretary. So, can give you a better idea whether it's career you'd like to pursue. So, here naman is the administrative work has so many activities that can foster your nurture your knowledge, or pwede kang magkakuha dito ng mga different inspiration kung ano ba yung gagawin mo, kung ano ba yung ipo-pursue mo in the future. Includes filing information and many other responsibilities that help maintain a proactive workplace. So in here, administrative professional must have strong communication skills to complete their job and duties, and to effectively work from filing information, writing memos, and interacting with other employees. So, kailangan natin ng strong communication as a professional, as an administrative professional. You need to have strong communication to be able to do your job properly or have a great job. Okay. So next is involves organizing and supervising an organization or institution. So here is, as an administrative worker, you are the leader or you are supervising an organization. These organizations are supporting an administrative work, like supporting administrative work. It helps to integrate the members and the administrative manager. So, para smooth lang ang pang-function ng operation. So, sabi naman dito is yung administrative work as may kailangan ng leadership traits. Yung kailangan ng leadership traits kasi dito, as a office setting, yun na nga yung administrative professional is like, for example, yun na yung mga secretary or nag-filing ng report, yung mga secretary, tapos, includes filing, yun na nga yung mga responsibilities, need to strong communication, we need traits here, leadership traits. So, pupunta na tayo sa different traits. So, different approach. Trait approach of leadership. Okay. So, trait approach to leadership. So, we have suggest that individual personalities are composed of board disposition. So, meaning, as an individual, you have qualities being a leader. So, every one of us have the qualities to be a leader. Okay? We just need to improve it and to discover it more. Okay? So, we have suggest that certain inborn or innate qualities and characteristic make someone a leader. So, the theory of leadership, the inborn and innate, insight, be personality, so the theory of leadership, the modern and innate quantities, that the quantities might be have three factors, which is personality factors, physical factors, and intelligence factors. So, we have this. People differ from one another based on the strength and intensity of basic traits they mention. So, it focuses on the leader and not on the follower. So this approach are concerned with the traits that the leader exhibit. So, and whom is yun na nga yung traits ng in-exhibit na isang leader. Yun na yung personality na isang leader. Paano niya i-handle ang kanyang grupo, or how he can apply his traits in to have an effective leadership. So we have give constructive information about leadership. So yun na. And focus on the ideas that great leadership are born with leadership abilities and not learned abilities. So here naman is yung pagiging leader natin na bawat yung sabi natin dito is yung sa born na lahat ng tao ay may kakayahang mamuno. Yun na nga yung sabi nila. Like example sa presidential, sa bilang isang president, lahat tayo ay may kakayahan na mamuno sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, lahat tayo ay may ability na mamuno. And hindi dito siya na-learn ng basta-basta. Is may kakayahan na tayo. If you are born to be a leader, magiging leader ka talaga. Merong mga traits na pang-hire, pang-leader talaga. Okay? So, yun na nga, having a leader with a certain set of traits is crucial to have an effective leadership. So, yun na. So, if you have these traits, or you have the traits of being a leader, you can have an effective leadership. So, as alam, kung meron kang mga dedication or mga eagerness to win, yung mga competitive na ganyan, is, or meron kang mga different traits, magiging effective ang paglilid mo ng isang grupo or yung leadership mo, kung paano mo sila i-handle. And that's all. But we will discuss about, yun na nga, discuss natin dito yung mga traits. Discuss natin dito yung mga traits and abilities. So, ano nga ba yung mga traits na kailangan na isang great leader? Okay. So, ito na nga yung mga traits associated with great leadership. So, we have intelligence and action-oriented judgment, people skills, perseverance, task competence, assertiveness, motivate people, adaptability and flexibility, emotional stability, accept responsibility, decisiveness, creativity, and understanding their followers and their needs. So we have here intelligence and action-oriented judgment. So great leaders and smart leaders make a choice that move the group forward. So meaning may mga decision or may mga move. Kung smart leader ka, mayroon kang mga choices na or mga decision or mga moves na kailangan mong gawin para maka-move forward ang iyong grupo. Kung malapit na kayo sa kulanat, may mga techniques ka. Yun yung may mga techniques ka kung paano mo ipupush ang grupo mo sa isang sa finish line para manalo. So we have people skills. So dyan na yung people skills is dyan na yung mga paano ka mag-interact sa mga members mo. Dyan na yung members mo, kakausapin mo sila isa-isa. If hindi naman kayo, example dyan is yung sa pag meron kayong field trip, or hindi field trip, scout. Yung mga scout sa mga regional scout, and nagka-group mo yung mga hindi mo kakilala, hindi mo ka-schoolmate. Diyan yun yung social skills ng isang leader. Diyan mo makilala mo yung mga members mo. And also, hindi lang sa mga members, kundi din sa ibang leaders. So, makipag-associate ka sa kanila, makipagkwentuhan, kung ano ba yung ganak-ganak ganito. So, here naman is yung perseverance. So, here naman is yung perseverance. So, ano nga ba yung perseverance? So, strong leaders stick with it, even with tight, get difficult, or a group face significant obstacles. So, yung perseverance is may dedication. Meron kang paninindigan. Okay? May paninindigan ka na, okay. Okay, kaya lang to. Kahit difficult naman to sa grupo, kagrupo mo, kaya na to. Parang meron kang, okay, kaya natin to. May paninindigan tayo na, obstacles, part to ng life, part to ng natin, experience natin. Yung mga difficulties na yan, yung even, kahit anong mga difficulties yan, haharapin natin yan. Kasi nga, magkagrupo tayo, we need, kasi nito lang tayo to communicate. Maayos din yan through our cooperation. Okay? So, we have also task competency. So, a great leader is skilled and capable member of a group are able to look for the leader for an example of how things should be done. So, yun nga, yung task competency. So, kung alam na ng leader na ganito ang gagawin ng school project, dapat tuturuan niya yan, ituturo niya yan sa mga members na hindi alam, sa mga hindi may alam. So, kaya nga, para i-look up na tayo, parang tayo yung role model kung paano gawin yung isang project na hindi alam ng mga members. So, naman, gagawin yung mga examples kung paano mo gawin siya. And parang nilook up ka, dapat may skills and capable ka sa mga bagay-bagay. Okay, we have assertiveness. So, in assertiveness, a great leader is able to direct, assert without coming off and overly pushy or aggressive. So, yung sa assertiveness, if you need to, yung hindi ka push ng push, meron kang intelligence, meron kang mga skills or meron kang techniques kung paano mananalo sa isang laro, sa mga laro. Hindi kayo para bang pag may madaling ma-disappoint, parang ganun yung magaling kang ma-disappoint na without overly parang nagiging aggressive ka na sa isang laro. Like for example na yun sa ML, pag naglalaro ka ng ML, pag namatay ka, parang ayaw mo na, parang gusto mo nang pumatay na isang kalaban. Yun yung parang aggressive ka na, push ng push ka, hindi mo na mamalayan na meron palang humahabol sa likod mo na para patayin ka. Dun na, na-ambush ka na pala. Yun na. Example na yun ng assertiveness. So, you need to do not be so aggressive. Okay, do not be so assertive sa mga simpleng bagay lang na pagkukulo ng dugo mo. So, you need to be calm and huwag tayong maging pushy sa mga members natin. Kung hindi nila alam, you need to teach them. Okay? So, motivate people. Ito na yung motivate people. Kung dito sa assertiveness is nagiging pushy ka or yung mga aggressives na nagagawa ng isang leader. Ito naman is a motivate people. As a leader, you need to motivate people. You need to inspire them. Like for example, natalo kayo dun sa ML. Natalo kayo sa ML. Tapos, meron dun isang player na down sa sarili niya. Kasi nga, hindi niya napatay yung kalaban na malapit na yung kalaban na na-encounter niya sa base nyo. Na-encounter niya sa base nyo. Tapos, na-encounter niyo sa base nyo, tapos hindi napatay. Kaya yun, napatay siya, and doon na natalo kayo. Doon na parang dinadaw niyo yung sarili niya na natalo kayo dahil sa kanya. So, as a leader, as a captain dun sa laro, as a leader, you need to motivate that person. You need to motivate na, ay, okay lang yan, may susunod pa naman. Hindi yan kawalan, parang kung na yan, learn lang. Learn through the experience, sabi nga nila. So, learn from their mistake. Parang ganun yung konsepto na need to motivate people. Basta motivate mo yung people na, ay, okay lang yan. Huwag kang bahala. Kami bahala sa'yo. Para, if motivate mo yung person na yun, hindi siya maladown sa mga deepest sadness niya, overthink na siya, nag-breakdown na, umiyak na siya, tapos ganun. Kasi motivate people, hindi nga, i-motivate mo siya para ma-uplift yung happiness niya, para hindi siya mag-breakdown. So yun na, we need, next is adaptability and flexibility. So, effective leaders don't get stuck in rut. They are able to think outside of the box and adapt quickly to change the situation. So, yun na, adaptability and flexibility. Adapt. You need to adapt in any situation. Like, for example, as a leader, inassign ka sa mga lowest na kids. Lowest mga group, ganyan. Diyan ka na-assign. So, kailangan mo mag-adapt dyan. Hindi mo i-adapt yung sarili mo na sasama ka sa nila. You need to adapt na as a leader na kailangan mo silang i-high up or kailangan mo silang turuan kung paano mga ito para may ma-learn din sila sa lessons. So, yung flexibility. You need to be flexible. So, ano man ang i-assign sa'yo na project, you need to comply it. Flexible ka, dito. Kahit ano pa yung mga project na yan, you need to be flexible. Okay. So, we have emotional stability. Ito na nga yung emotional stability mo. Paano mo ma-handle ang iyong yung emotions mo. Like, for example, may umiyak sa grupo nyo kasi nga natalo kayo. Like, for example, yun na yun sa ML kayo na. Natalo kayo sa ML and umiyak yung isang group nyo kasi nga sinisisi niya sa sarili niya kung bakit kaya talo. And, if kumahina ka, malamang iiyak ka din. Kaya nga, yung isang dapat yung weak leader is hindi nag-breakdown ng hindi talaga na meron siyang stability or nakakontrol niya ang emotions niya. Like, for example, yun na nga yung guy na umiyak siya, dapat kina-comfort mo ang iyong member, hindi ka sumasabay sa iyak. Hindi ka umiiyak din. Kasi madadown yung members mo na hindi kaya to kasi parang hindi na kaya ng leader natin. Parang ganun ba? Parang wala nang tiwala sa atin wala nang tiwala ang mga members nyo sa inyo. Or you're being a leader. If you become a leader, pag leader ka, strong ka, walang iiyak. You need to control your emotion or you need to stabilize it. Okay? So, we have accept responsibilities. So, ito na nga, being a leader, you need to accept different responsibilities. Like, for example, meron kang yung mga tasks. Dapat, kung ano yung mga tasks niya, you need to have a responsibilities to that kasi as a great leader, ayun na nga, yung nag-accept ka ng responsibilities, hindi mo sinisisi sa iba yung mga pagkakamali mo. Example, ako yung naging leader. Example, ikaw ang naging leader. Tapos, may mali ka sa isang project nyo. Tapos, yung sa isang project nyo na yun, pinasa yung teacher. Hindi mo napansin na may mali kang nailagay doon. And binalik sa inyo kasi nga mali. Tapos, meron dun na parang hindi mo alam na ikaw pala ang gumawa at sinisi mo yung ibang members mo. Dapat hindi ka ganun. Dapat you need to accept your mistakes. dapat hindi ka nagsisisi ng mga members mo na kung kasalanan mo. You need to accept it, okay? Yung mga responsibility mo, you need to accept it widely. Kasi nga, as a great leader, kailangan mo din patabain ang pride at wag talagang yun talaga yung leader ako, dapat perfect din ako. Lahat ng tao ay nagkakamali. Tao din ang mga leader. Okay? Kaya wag maging judgmental. If nagkakamali yung leader nyo, hindi siya magaling ganyan, hindi siya matalino. Kesyo ganyan. Hindi siya matalino kasi nga, paano siya naging leader? Hindi naman siya matalino. Lahat tayo ay makakayanan maging leader. Remember that. Lahat tayo may kakayahan maging leader. Sa iba't iba lang, sa physical, sa mental, sa physical, emotional, or sa intelligence pa yan. Kung sa intelligence pa yan, sa mga academics, dyan na yun, papasok ang mga matatalino. Pag physical naman, sa sayaw, sino mas magaling sa sayaw? Dun, maging leader siya. Okay? Gets na ang concept? Okay. Decisiveness. As a great leader, you need to have the trait of decisiveness. So what do you mean by decisiveness, everyone? Decisiveness. Anyone who can explain decisiveness? Kung sino man maka-explain yan, may +5. Charot. Okay. Decisiveness. We can explain decisiveness. Okay. Malapit na talaga. Anyone? Any other hand? Okay, so, decisiveness is yung madali kang mag-isip. Madali kang mag-desisyon sa isang bagay. Like, for example, may critical thinking mo na, yun na ang hinahanap na isang great leader. Naka-associate siya yung mga traits. Ito yung traits as a great leader. Yung decisiveness, magaling kang mag-desisyon. And effective din ito siya. Magaling mag-desisyon and magiging effective. Magaling mag-desisyon and effective. Yan ang decisiveness. Okay? Yung madali kang mag-isip po. Like for example, may problema na ganito. Tapos, like for example, sa isang mag-compile ka ng projects mo, tapos walang folder o walang clip kasi kailangan ng clip kasi nga orado-rado lang sa'yo si teacher, parang ganoon orado lang sa'yo si teacher, wala kayong pwedeng mailagay doon, like huwag lang envelope, clip na lang, so wala kayong na clip kasi nahanap talaga yung teacher yung clip. Para mo yun siya igahan, ang solusyon doon, maghanap ka ng ano ang solusyon doon ng isang matinik or madaling mag-isip na leader? Maghahanap ng clip. Okay? Maghahanap ng clip sa bag niya, sa klase niya, o sa ibang teacher pa. At, if kung hindi naman nag-work, at hindi man siya nakahanap ng mga clip, ano yung gagawin niya? Kakausapin ang teacher. Yun nga, kakausapin ang teacher. Yun ang kantik ang isang decisive na leader. So, gets na? So, kung decisive rin, you need to be creative. As a leader, you need to be creative. Hindi lang creative ka sa self-outputs mo, but you need to be creative too sa group outputs nyo para mag-flip yung grupo mo na, ganda to. Hindi ko lang na-apply yung pagiging creativeness ko sa sarili ko, kundi na-apply ko din to sa aking mga members, sa aking ka-groupmates. So, lastly, we have understanding their followers and their needs. So, yun na nga sa understanding, sa last ka na, sa traits associated with great leadership is merong understanding. So, yun sinabi ko kanina, is you need to understand each si member mo, need to understand kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa kanila. And dito na, for example dito, is yung activity naman. Group outputs. Role play. So, sa role play, di ba, meron yung mga nag-take ka ng suggestions. Okay, hindi mo alam to, hindi mo siya alam kung paano i-construct, kahit leader ka na, hindi mo din pala alam. Kaya nga, naghingi ka ng suggestion kasi hindi lang ikaw ang mayroong idea, pero may great idea, pero mas may may bibigay na contribution o mga idea ang mga members mo. So you need to gather some suggestion galing sa each member mo. Like for example, 10 kayo sa isang member and 10 kayo sa isang grupo. And dun, 8 yung i-role play nyo is meron lang 8 na character. And anong gagawin mo dun sa 2? As a leader, you need to think critically. You need to think or you need to understand. And the followers, you need to understand those members and their needs. Like for example, yun yung sa roleplay ko, walang character dun, walang appropriate na character para sa 2 members. Anong gagawin mo? I-insert mo siya sa iba. Like for example, yung isang character mo dun is isang tindera. Yung isang character, yung isang walang character, magagawin mo chismosang kapitbahay. Ganun. Yung chismosang kapitbahay, ang isa din is nagmamaneho ng or tumatakbo sa kali-gali para meron din siyang konting exposure sa inyong roleplay. Para meron din siyang contribution sa inyo. Para din siya ma-left out sa grupo na wala kahit pumunta to sa mga practice pero wala naman siyang character. Pero as a great leader, we need to prioritize your members and yung mga needs nila. So that's all for today's lesson. So do you have any questions, clarifications? None? Okay, so you don't have any clarification or questions. So let's have a great activity or a fun activity. So it called, ang activity na to ay tumatawag na pass the word. Pass the word. So I'll group you into 4 groups. So, start counting. Okay. So, group 1 here, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So, okay. Ito ang instruction. So, pili kayo ng 5 na members. Okay. Nakapili na ba? Okay. You need to, ang 5 members na yan is patuloyin and mag-line up based sa kanilang height. Okay, naka-line up na ba? And yung sa harap, ang tao sa harap ay pupunta sa akin para kunin ang words. Okay na, wala pang go. Okay. So, ganito ang mangyayari na game. Di ba pupunta sa akin ang mga tao sa harapan, yung mga members niya sa harapan. So, ang instruction dito is, pupunta sa akin, magbibigay ako ng each word sa kanila. In each word, hindi magkakaparehas ang mga words nila. 2 words ito. Ibibigay ko sa kanila 2 words. 2 words each group. So, ang mechanics is ganito. If nabigay ko na sa kanya ang word, a member nito is he needs to pass the word without speaking it, or you just need to pronounce it. Like for example, ito. Just follow my gesture of my mouth. What is the word? Right, beautiful. So that yan lang paano maglaro ng game na to. Guess the word. Okay. So, okay. Is my so before we start our game, first I would like to serve these rules. So first, you need to cooperate to each other. Second, follow my instruction. And if I hear any voice that any voice from the players, babalik talaga kayo sa uno o minus points kayo. Okay? Wala kayong prize. Kung ganun. So, yun tayo sa rules. Number 1 rule, mag-cooperate to each other. Second, follow my instruction. Third, and have fun, everyone. So, okay? Have fun sa game natin. And, so, sino man ang guess ng dalawang words ng correctly, mabibigyan ng prize. So, okay? Okay? Do you guys get my instruction? Okay. Okay, so let's start now. In 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Okay, congratulations to group 2. So, did you have guys fun? What did you feel after doing this activity? Okay, so may I ask group number 1? Any members of group number 1? What word have you guessed? Creativity. Okay, what is creativity? Okay, thank you. How about group 4? Okay, group 4, what word are you? What word have you guessed? Adaptability and flexibility. Okay, between the two, can you choose one and explain it to me? Explain it to the class. Okay, very good. Clap your hands for them. Okay, so you have all understand our lesson. Okay, so you didn't have any question na. So I'll be questioning you. So based on your understanding on our topic, choose one trait and explain it and how you can apply this on any situation if you became a leader, and what is the importance of this trait if you became a leader. Anyone? No one? So I'll be calling Miss Tahlim. Okay, very good. Okay, any other? Oh, no one would like to answer. So, I'll be calling. Okay, Miss Angeles. Okay, very good. So, please clap your hands for them. Okay, so you have all understand our lesson for today. So, after that, we please get 1/2 crosswise. Okay, so you'll be gonna write an essay about if I become a leader. You have only 5 minutes. Start now. Okay, stop. 5 minutes is stop. So, as for your at the back portion of your paper, you need to answer these scrambled letters. You need to fix the scrambled letters. You only have 15 minutes to answer. Start now. Okay. Pass the time's up. Pass the paper forward and to the center aisle. Thank you very much. Okay. So before I will dismiss you, our assignment is what is situation and leadership? And also, what is the importance of situation and leadership? Again, what is situation and leadership, and what is the importance of situation on leadership? Okay, thank you very much. Class dismissed.